This training module covers the map control functionality. Clicking on the Map Controls box in the bottom left-hand corner displays the Map Control pop-up. This pop-up allows users to measure distances on the map, manage user zones, access vessel playback, and use the Vessel Tracks functionality. Each of these functions will be discussed in separate modules. In this module, we will address the Distance Calculator. Clicking on the Distance Calculator selection on the Map Controls pop-up displays a small instruction box on the top left-hand side of your map and sets up the system to measure distances. Then clicking on the map in one place and again in another causes the system to draw a straight line between the 2 points and displays the distance between them. Additional clicks on other parts of the map causes more straight lines to these additional points and displays a cumulative distance. Clicking on the X on the instruction box turns off the distance calculator. For quick access to the distance calculator, place the cursor over the vessel of your choice and right-click on the mouse button. Left-click over the Start Distance Calculator and proceed as previously addressed in this video. An additional feature contained within the distance calculator is the ability to calculate estimated time of arrival. Adjusting speed by using the up and down arrows or manually entering a speed will adjust the estimated time of arrival and approximate transit time. This concludes the training module on the distance calculator contained within the Map Controls feature.